this session. Today is weekly expiry also. So today, before we starting this session, this is a disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of the returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read the all related documents carefully before investing. So this is how US and Asian market have been traded yesterday. US market has been closed on negative note. They opened at higher level, but however, in between there was key news regarding treasury bills and other tech stocks have been fell after JP Morgan's recession concern raised, and because of that US market has been fell, and European market has been closed yesterday positively, and even Indian market has been closed yesterday positively. However, Gift Nifty is currently trending around 24,200 kind of level, so it's kind of gap down opening for Nifty we can expect. And Asian market except China and Hong Kong are trading in positive, but both Japan is trading in the sideways range after their economic data, and South Korea is trading at negative note. So coming to the key news, US market has been fell, and the main key reason is because of treasury bills have been sales have treasury bills have been sale has been weak from the US market. Also, JP Morgan has raised the some recession concern raised to 35%. So that is that triggered the sell off in US market. So after last week's uh, poor jobless data. So today, yesterday has been market has been US market has been fell, and today there is going to be weekly jobless data. So that is going to be a key focus on today's trading day for US. So that is going to be going to be affect us in the tomorrow session. So let us see what how it goes. And Brent crude gains from the key support level following US drop in US inventories. And today for us, RBI policy rate is due today, so it is likely to announce around 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So that is going to be key rate decision. It is going to be likely to be RBI likely to maintain that interest rate, and no change in stance also. So they are going to be continue that previous stance. However, let's see how RBI is going to be act in this kind of situation. And Maruti Suzuki recalls around 2,500 Alto K10 vehicles because of defect in steering gearbox. And Coromandel International has been appointed S. Shankar Subramaniam as MD and CEO of the company. And Standard Chartered is likely to sell around 3% of equity in Protein e-governance technology via block deals tomorrow. And Godavari Power declaring dividend and stock split. So this board has approved around 1.25 payout and division of shares. And coming to the key earnings, yesterday after market, NHBC has been reported a number, and net profit grew around 1%, and sales has been grew down around 2%. It's kind of in line with data expectation. And Apollo Tires has been reported weak numbers, where net profit is down around 24% and revenue is up around 1%. And Sula has been reported 6% growth and revenue is up around 11%. It's kind of in line with the estimations. And NSE has reported very good numbers, where revenue is up around 51% and net profit is up around 39%. And GPPL has been net profit is up around 62% and revenue is up around 14%. Is a very good number from Gujarat Power. And today, LIC, MRF, Biocon, Page Industries, HBL Power, IFCI, and ABB is going to be reporting its earnings, Q1 earnings. And derivative data which suggests the Nifty's PCR is below 1. So it's kind of negative data from the derivative side. So maximum call is placed around 25,000 level and 24,800, and put option is placed around 24,000 and 22,300 kind of level. So this is the derivative data. And if we come to the Nifty chart, so this is a Nifty daily chart, and you can see there is a blue line which is trending of 21 DMA. And after that, on Monday, because of US market and global market sell of index, our index has been closed on started that week on a negative note with a gap down. So after evening star classical pattern, and we have seen a gap down opening. So it is that this gap area is likely to act as resistance in the future days. So that broke simultaneously two uh, trend lines from the downward sloping, and currently trading below that level, and it's currently hovering around its 50 DMA. If you see, and in between it's 21 DMA and 50 DMA. And also if you see latest data, so from last 2 days, it is not able to break that 24,400 kind of level in the upside, and downside there is a very strong support at 50 DMA. And along with that, if you see the momentum chart, there has been a breakdown in the daily chart, and also MACD has been continued to negative crossover has happened from last that particular from Monday especially. So going forward, we might see today gap down opening, and likely to trade in this particular range for the rest in today's session. So key downside support is around 24,000 kind of level. And 50 DMA is also placed around that level. So that is going to a key support area. On the upside, 24,000, once it crosses and holds above that 24,300, 400 kind of level. So we might see some more upside. If it breaks out from sustains that 24,300, then we might see some kind of upside in towards its 21 DMA. So that there's going to be not much room on the upside, but we can see some if it breaks below that 24,000 level, so we might see some more selling pressure in Nifty 50. So volatility likely to be increased in today's session, so trade cautiously in this kind of situation. So instead of taking full position, you can consider a half position, or better to not to have, trade in this particular not to take a fresh entry in this particular situation. So trade with cautious and follow risk management in this particular situation. So thank you for joining this session, and we'll wind up session over here only. And I would like to invite you all for today's evening session for Bazar Pe Charcha. So thank you everyone.